Hello everybody, so today I am going to be opening up this, which I'm so excited about. It is the Jacksepticeye Gaelic Gladiator YouTooz figure. Pretty cool. Been looking forward to this arriving. I also ordered one of the plushes, but that hasn't arrived yet. But here it is. It's damaged. It got damaged in the post, so I am not happy about that. But anyway, here we go. We have got Jack here in all of his Gaelic Gladiator attire. It's got Sam as a belt buckle, which is pretty cool. It's got his potatoes, his potato field. Sam with a bell. Pretty cool. So that's just the slipcase. I also have here his first YouTooz, which is really cute as well. As well as this one, which I just got fairly recently. Pretty cool as well. So here he is in all of his glory. It's so cool. Looks so happy. It's got his man bun on this one. So it says, ding ding ding, top of morning. I love that. That's such a cute picture. Have you all got your bells here today? Okay. Okay, so let's open him up, I guess. Let's go. So it says ding 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 on a potato. I mean, of course it would. Why would it not? All the inside of the box is just potatoes. If it doesn't say top of morning in the bottom of the box, I'll be highly disappointed. It doesn't, it just says ding 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 and then lots and lots and lots of potatoes. Lots and lots and lots of potatoes in there. Oh, it's so cute. I can't deal with the cute. Oh wow. I feel like they've changed what they make these out of. Stand there a minute, Jack, while I get your potatoes. Okay, so he comes with a little sack of spuds. Which is really cute. Let me try and sort out this lighting because it's just flickering away. Let's keep it on green. So here he is, the Gaelic Gladiator Jacksepticeye. That's so cool. A lot more detail has gone into this than the other one. I feel like it's different material, maybe? I'm not sure. But yeah, he's got his man bun going on. He's got his cape. The detail on the cape is awesome. He's got his plugs in his ears, the detail. He's got his big old bell. He looks very pleased with himself anyway. It's so cool. So to compare it with the other one. So yeah, I do feel like this feels more solid than this does. I don't know if it's simply because there's more plastic used on this one, that they've used a cheaper plastic, I'm not sure. But this definitely feels painted better and feels better. I don't know. But yeah, there they are. The two Irishmen. Okay, I think I can figure out what it is, what the difference is. So this, I think, is like generic plastic, like it isn't a colour. But then the flesh colour is painted onto it. I think this is made out of flesh-toned plastic, which they then painted on. Because if you can see, like the little bit here where you can see the paint has kind of gone onto the beard of the flesh, but then on this one you can kind of see that it's the actual plastic is flesh tone, so I'm guessing that is why it feels different and why the skin tone and everything looks different. I love the design of this one, but I prefer how this one is made. I prefer how this one feels in the hand. I don't know, that's just a little difference, but It's something I can really tell. Can you tell on the camera? I don't know. But anyway, that is the Gaelic Gladiator Jacksepticeye. Let's take a closer look at it, I guess.